What's up, guys, and welcome back to Go for Launch Rocketry. I know we coming up on the end of March, and guess what? I gotta get this unboxing video out before we go into April. So this is gonna be a quick video. We look to get back on track here with the unboxings, and hopefully Mother Nature, treats us right coming up the first week of April, because I have a lot of things I want to get up in the air. And I know you guys are wondering, why haven't he posted any launch videos? Trust me, they are coming. Mother Nature just haven't been playing nice. But like I said, this is going to be a quick one, so let's go ahead and rip into this box. And also, guys, don't laugh at me. I tried to rip the label off, and I don't know what type of stickum Steve put on there, but I couldn't get it, so I just tried to burn my address out. Thank you from Launch Lab Rocketry. Fun inside. Let's see, what does Steve have in store for us in the month of March? Alright. Have our Launch Lab mystery box flyer. Of course, you guys know the routine. If you enjoyed this as much as we did, please share it on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, and tag Launch Lab Rocketry. Thanks, Steve. Well, thank you, Steve. We got some discounts. Of course, our sticker, Launch Lab Rocketry sticker. Thanks, Darius. Steve, I guess that's my invoice. Let's get that out the way. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, got some Kit Kat, crisp wafer, and cream. Smoked candy, some Starburst, strawberries and cream Kit Kat, and some more Starburst. What's this? Oh. Alright, first things first. This is a 2x24mm centering rings. We got 3 of them in here. So I guess we will be using these for something custom. I don't know what, but if you guys have any ideas, please leave a comment, drop a comment down below, and give me some ideas of what I can do with this. I mean, I do have some extra parts laying around, so we could put this to good use. And, oh, got some more Starburst. My daughter gonna love that. Alright. I got one box. I'm gonna take a guess. No, Blue Origin wouldn't come in that box. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's a Dr. Zooch Mercury Redstone. Okay, that's pretty cool right there. I don't know who Dr. Zooch is. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. Not familiar with his rockets, but it's pretty cool. Skill level above average. Made in the United States. Guys, give me a second real quick. Alright, you guys know, if I own a rocket, I'm going to do a comparison. This right here is the Estes version of the Redstone. Let me see if I can tilt the camera up. There we go. Now, I've had this one for a while. We will do a maiden flight of this in the near future. I have a lot of stuff I haven't flown. So keep your eyes open for this one. And we have the Dr. Zooch Mercury Redstone. So I'm gonna have to do some research and see the difference in size and everything. But there's a comparison right there in the box and an open box. But that's it right there. I mean, we got some good old candy and some centering rings and the Dr. Zooch Mercury Redstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I look to see you guys soon at the pad. Oh, and also have a enjoy your Good Friday that's coming up and Easter Sunday. We'll catch you later. Peace and blessings. I'll holla.